All right, so look what I found in my shopping today. Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch 4, Series 4. Yep, so we are going to unbox this little gadget. Take that off. You guys don't need to see the receipt. All right, so we turn it over. There's a pull strap right here. Open that up, rip it off. So I had before the Apple Watch 3, gave it to my daughter, and now, so what I missed about the Apple Watch, not having it for 6 weeks or so now, 2 months, is that going back to look at my phone all the time to find out what messages are there, or who messaged me, or what it may be, and not necessarily being able to just feel the notification on my wrist. So I kind of missed that. So now it's time to get back to that feature with the new one. Series 4, right there, 44 milliliters, all that. Okay, so let's open this. So I don't know how to open it, so I think I'm just gonna pull these straps. Oops, I think that's it. Ooh. Oh, all right. And voila. Oh, fancy, fancy. Colorful inside of the box. All right, get that out of here. 2 things, the watch and the band. So I'm a black and white type person when it comes to my accessories. I don't like all the loud colors. Well, it's going to take a minute. Oh, there we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Fancy, fancy. Get that out of here. And voila. I know there's a lot of different bands out there, aftermarket ones, that are very creative color-wise, and folks try to structure those differently by buying bundles and all that other stuff. So the standard strap, Velcro, perfect. I like this because I can specifically set it exactly where I want it versus some of the other ones that have the holes in them. So the holes in them are set to a specific, you can't change that. So if the holes are not in line with how you like it, really doesn't serve, it really doesn't work. And I like my watches a little loose, not too loose, but not too tight. So the holes kind of sometimes work, sometimes don't. So that is the Velcro strap. And all right, there it is right there. It's got a little case over it, little, yeah, little not Velcro, but velvet case over the top of it. And what you get in this sucker is designed by Apple in California, of course. So regular 5-volt plug, standard, and the charging cable. Comes with all the watches, of course. And that's about it, I think, in here. Yep, no more in there. So throw that over there. Ooh. Yep, that's all. And now the watch. So slides out of this little case right here. Push, push, push. There we go. There it is. Woo. So I believe it is a little bit thicker than the 3. I believe the heart rate piece that's in there causes it to be a little tad thicker. But I opted for the black matte and the cellular connection. So pair with the Apple Watch or pair with the Apple phone, which I'll do that in a little bit. But that is the unboxing for my new Apple Watch 4. So like I said, I went to this one because I got tired of not missing the notifications on my wrist. So that is it. and maybe I'll do a review of how I like it in months from now, but after having it for a few months. But that's it, standard, nothing different from the visual aspect that you've seen in the prior watches. So, all right, folks, thanks for watching. Yeah, have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section. If you like, subscribe, all that wonderful jazz. Thanks for watching.